For sale, a 1952 M38 Jeep restored to combat class. It has all original parts with the exception of gasoline tank, which has been replaced. Fuel tank is reproduction of the 52 period fuel tank.
I need to bring the hood down.
Still has the 24-volt system, for the most part, connected, and has all 4 lifting eyes.
Looks nice, huh?
On front and rear. Has the web gear that goes with it, all dated in the 1950s, including ammunition belt for an M1 Garand with canteen.
Cigarette smoke right in it.
And original crank radio with it, telephone, crank telephone, an original banana radio, there's original 1952 dated water gasoline water tank to go on the rear. However, there is a 1952 fuel tank that goes with it. Except the rear seat, the back is a new.
I need to bring the hood down.
Back seat is covered with proper style covering and screws.
Looks
and
nice,
the
huh?
rear seat is an original horsehair fill, and comes with an carrying case for the antenna. Antenna is mounted on the side of the Jeep. Has original 24-volt radios that work. It has several web bags full of 1903, of machine gun parts, the backup for parts of the replica machine gun that's been put on the Jeep that was made at Bismarck. Bismarck also made
I need to bring the hood down.
Carrying case on the side for ammunition in 50 or 30 caliber is an original U.S. issued, and the tag has been put in the glove compartment, showing that it's the original piece that came off that was manufactured then.
For the machine gun?
Yeah, in the toolbox or
glove box.
All of the tools that go
A cigarette smoke
with
right in
the
it.
Jeep, plus the toolbox roll, and glove box. Original early period Korean War tires on it, of which these were used early in Korea. Has most of the wheels have valve core style valve connectors on them.
It has a what?
Fuel starter.
Fuel starter that needs to be connected?
Yeah.
I need to
The
bring
knob,
the
you can't
hood down.
Pump it.
Oh, okay.
That pump gasoline from here directly into the gas.
Oh, okay. With a fire extinguisher?
It has four fire extinguishers in it.
Original? Looks nice, huh?
Original. Two under the front passenger seat. It has the engine itself is an L134, runs good.
Cigarette smoke right in it.
But sadly the ignition was converted from 12 volt to
24 volt.
24 volt to 12 volt.
And that's just the ignition?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so the rest of it needs to be reconnected as 24 volt. A brand new 24 volt distributor with all parts goes with it, including the coil.
So it has the parts to turn it back to 24 volt. It's just you haven't done it yet. I need to bring the hood down.
And while the carburetor is a Solex, there are two Carter LS style carburetors that go with it that need to be rebuilt. I would say, it has two spare starters that go with it in case you need one. And a good 100 pounds of spare parts go with the Jeep.
What is this?
It also has an original rifle rack with it, and has an original 1943 Boy dated saddle scabbard that goes with it. It has two sets of original doors. That's about all. The best thing to do is contact and talk to me about the Jeep.
I need to
I'm
bring
the one that
hood down.
restored it. This Jeep has been seen at many parades around the San Antonio area, including the big Veterans Day parade downtown twice in front of the Alamo. And it's also been demonstrated out at Lackland Air Force Base for the Air Force birthday, and at Randolph Air Force Base for various
cigarette smoke right in it.
Things that have happened out there. So it's a very well-known Jeep. It won a trophy at one parade in Schertz, Texas, as the best entry in the parade.
Got a picture of the mayor.
And has a picture of the mayor with the Jeep. So call me and talk to me about it. That's the best thing to do. You get more out of it than you do listen to old men trying to remember stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I need to bring the